Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is FixerMed, and today I'm going to be showing you how to best utilize the AMBOSS articles with the Anking Step 1 and 2 version 12 deck. Now, it's not tagged perfectly to the articles yet, but there's a slight workaround that can be used to better aid your studies after reviewing articles, to better retain the material for your in-house quizzes, in-house exams, NBME CAS exams, step 1, and potentially CBSE if you have to take it. So let's get started. First off, go to AMBOSS, go to library, go to articles. Now for the sake of this video, I'm going to be focusing on the basic sciences, but the same principle should apply for clinical knowledge as well for the step 2 and 3. So go ahead, click basic sciences, and click on whichever discipline or system you want to study. So I'm going to just study by system, and then choose which system you're on. So at this point, I think a lot of people are on cardiovascular. So I'm going to go ahead and hit cardiovascular. Now you have a bunch of articles. If you just go down the list, you should have a strong understanding of the cardiovascular system after you're done reading these articles. High yield mode is great for studying for comprehensive exams, but if you're learning it the first time, I'd recommend just reading through the article, take your notes, read through the article, etc. Make sure you remember the points that are being discussed, because this is all heavily tested on STEP and heavily tested on in-house exams, depending on which organ block you're in, of course. For a lot of us that have went through this was either a great time or a terrible time. So yeah, so you go through all of the content in the article, take your notes, and then you want to go to your Anki. Go to Anki, hit browse. Now ensure that you have the name of the article down, cardiac physiology, and you're going to go and find some tags that are relevant to cardiac physiology. So I'm going to do cardiac _ physiology. I'm going to see how many sets of tags are available, and it seems that the Boards and Beyond video series has some cardiac physiology tags under it. So I'm going to go ahead and unsuspend them. Well, they're active right now because I've been doing those cards for review. So suspend, unsuspend, create flags for them in a similar manner. As you can see, it's all flagged now. Then go ahead and create the filter deck in the same way we have done in the other videos. Cardiac physiology, AMBOSS article cards, flag 1. Excellent. Go ahead and study through them. Preload. Ejection fraction, stroke volume over end diastolic volume. Left ventricular ejection fraction. Increase heart rate, increase contractility. So eventually you just study through the deck, and then if you're finished, it should say you're finished. If you want to do another read through, you hit rebuild, and then you can study it again. Increase O2, stroke volume, end diastolic volume minus end stroke volume, diastolic or systolic, diastolic, yes. Increased O2 consumption, increased stroke volume, contraction, etc. And this is a great way to review and re-review material over and over again. I am going to unflag the cards, but if you want to release it back into the overall deck, you should be fine just leaving the flags on if you want, but either way it should work out perfectly. So these two cards were just suspended, but if I was in my real size, I'd probably unsuspend them, flag them, and add them back in the deck as well. But for the sake of the tutorial, that's all you need to do. So that's my advice for best practices when utilizing the AMBOSS articles with the Anking version 12 deck. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, be sure to leave them down in the comment section below. As always, have a great day. This is FixerMed, signing off.